Danger area.
There's some water over here. You check this out?
Yeah, I've been all over that. Not all over, I've walked over there. I didn't walk through the water.
What is that?
Maybe the way the wind blows. Land's closer in that area too.
Uh-oh. Don't want to hit that.
Look at him go.
Look at me go.
Stay off the deep end.
Whoa! Rough ice.
Oh, rough ice, yeah. No, they hurt my ankles too much.
Oh, they hurt my ankle too. Oh, come on, just one?
No.
Oh, go ahead, try it. I'm going to cruise all the way around the pond. Circle the bank so I don't fall in.
Don't do the bank, sir. Get about 5 feet.
What?
Get about 5 feet from the bank.
Oh, I can't get too close to the bank over here. Have you been over here?
No.
This is where it's all melting. Whoa. Oh. Oh, I couldn't hold it. Woo.
Wimp.
What?
Wimp.
Wham.
Wimp.
Went.
No, I said wimp. Sorry about that. I stood up. Let's take a look at the pond.
Come on, Trey, you gotta try it.
Oh, I've tried them. I don't like them.
Uh-oh. Whoa, thin
Sure.
ice.
Get in the mud. And there's somebody's Christmas trees. 2 of them. One sort of in the center at least. The other one's on the edge.
Whoa, paper towel.
Back. It's boring. Watch it, Slim.
Yeah, I see it. Can't get too close. Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Whoa, don't want to hit that. Oh!
Fearless leader, Smith. I like this when we come in tonight.
Let's hear it fast stuff the El Camino.
Oh,
Smith, you big boo.
Oh, she fell through it. She fell through all the way on the other side. That side Smith fell through one.
She looks so cute.
Here she goes. Oh, see how she's rolling around here. Sand step. A fall print.
Sand squeeze.
Sand squeeze! That's great. I wish I could see Buck Rogers again. That's so stupid. All the killer androids after us. Oh my gosh, Sand Squid guy. Guess they couldn't write him off. How are we gonna end this?
Sand squeeze. I say sand squeeze.
Did you ever see that one?
No, I just heard it. Sand squeeze got again.
Again?
The sand squeeze got. All right, Snap. Well, you get in there, girl. Stinking Snoop. That's a real bird dog.
I think Sniff probably had a heart attack. Probably scared her. Sniff. Those things are really neat if you can run up on top of them.
Oh yeah.
I've been jogging. Those babies like 5 feet in front of you because they think they stand still. They wait till the last second.
Uh-oh. Sand squeeze. Sand squeeze.
There she goes. Did you see that? See what? Something's down that road. I'll go see. Here, you keep the gun.
Yeah.
Don't put any bullets in it yet.
Oh, we don't need a flashlight.
Here, throw the flashlight out there to distract it.
Yeah.
Oh no! It
Hate
hit
it.
the eyes.
Oh, it's gone.
You keep the gun in case I don't make it back.
Hey, get back in here. Oh crap, now I gotta get up.
Little water out here.
Like a little kid.
Get ready for the 92 games or where they are. 90.
Oh, down he goes! Oh, yes!
Oh, no, wet.
I know! Good, he'll be ready to go home now.
Oh. Oh.
Well, I got her to cuss word there, Todd. I got her to shoot. Oh!
Oh, that's a good one.
Sand squid! Sand squid!
Oh! How much longer are you gonna be before I fall down?
Yeah, we're waiting for another one.
Well, these are my beloved audience here.
Thank you.
Gamers Right Club's up there.
Yep. Oh!
You get too close to that slush and you're in trouble.
Look at that, boy, both legs working. Oh, I had a little trouble there.
There we go.
You better be heading in. Oh! Oh! Down he goes. It looked fake.
Ah!
It looked planned. Now, Todd, remember what last time you did that?